qualification project. Here, our task is to program the home page using session management and the latest product listing. This is the coding for my home page, and here at the top I have given a PHP script saying include header.php, and at the bottom I have given a PHP script saying include footer.php. I have used session management in header.php. This is the header.php code. Here I have given a PHP script at the top saying session start, and I have given an if condition which says if a user is already in session, to get the associative array including all the session variables of that user and store it as $data. Afterwards, I have used this to give a span saying welcome, first name of the user. Now, onto the product listing. In my home page, at the top, there's a selector for categories. Here, this one, there's a select for category. These options in this selector, I got them straight from my database, and this is the code for that. In this PHP script, I have given require connection.php to connect with my database. I have given a search query to search from my table called category, and then I have given a for loop where the options are taken straight from my database here. Again, after the carousel, I have listed out my categories again. I did it with using my database, and I have given a search query for my table category and given a for loop. That's the coding for this part. Now, in displaying the products, here I have given a PHP script. Here I have given a PHP script and I have given a search query from my product table, given a limit of 4, so that no matter how many products I have in my product table, it will only display 4 products at a given moment. I have displayed my products inside cards, and at the top I have displayed the image of the product, and this is the code for that. Inside the PHP script, I got the image from my images table in my database. I have a table called images where I have given the path and the product ID. I have given the src of the image using that path. Again, I have given an h5 saying the title of the product and a span saying the price of the product. Afterwards, I have given an if condition here that if the quantity of the product is greater than 0, a span will say in stock, and the quantity of the product will be taken from my database and displayed here, and there will be 2 buttons saying buy now and add to cart. If the quantity of the product is not greater than 0, it will say out of stock, 0 items available, and buttons buy now and add to cart will be disabled. Now to check if this works, here as you can see in my product table, the quantity of all the products are greater than 0. So just for a second, I'll change it to 0. It says the name of the product, the price of the product, but it says out of stock, 0 items available, and the 2 buttons have been disabled.